The Industrial Revolution transformed the well-being of society, enabling advances in production of medicines, food and vehicles, and boosting international trade. But at the same time, putting a heavy strain on the environment and society. The manufacturing industry, a major contributor to global economic growth and employment, can also be a major driver of sustainable development. To achieve this, we must employ strategies to reduce its negative externalities. One of those key strategies is the greening of industrial processes. Green industry promotes industrial production without expense to the environment or adverse impact on human health, whilst providing decent work for all. It is therefore paramount that its successful development and growth should be gender inclusive. The objective of the project was to improve the representation of women as leaders, entrepreneurs, and professionals in green industry, providing advice to policymakers and practitioners on how to apply a framework to gender mainstream policies and ensure that those policies are better adapted to deal with gender differences. In each country, together with local stakeholders, highly qualified experts developed policy assessment reports, providing evidence-based recommendations to redress gender imbalances in selected industrial subsector policies. Those recommendations were used to create national work plans, ensuring continuity of activities. The project also provided tailor-made capacity building to policymakers and entrepreneurs on issues related to the advancement of women in green industry. The project created momentum by developing a better understanding of women's cultural, traditional roles and affinity with the environment, influencing their perceived strengths in green industry. The countries began the process of reformulating existing policies and formulating new ones, taking gender inequalities into consideration. In Senegal, for example, the recommendations of the report were included in the development of a new environmental policy. In South Africa, the Renewable Energy Master Plan is being gender mainstreamed. Visibility and understanding of the opportunities and challenges in this industry for women has increased. In South Africa and in Peru, groups of women who attended the training started their own business networks. By considering gender differences when developing green industrial policies and providing funding to support women, you can also create opportunities for women in green industry.